Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Hello! It is Make It Monday event time here at SMS. Only it's gonna have to be a little different today. We are in Southern California. We're right by Magic Mountain. We're about 40 miles north of Los Angeles. And we are having a high wind event for the last day and a half, and they expect it to go through Tuesday. What that means in California is that the power companies have the right to turn off the power at any time. Now, I get text notifications when they say it's pretty imminent, we're gonna turn off your power. And I got one for the store. They say that in the next 4 hours, we could lose power at any time. And then that's it. We lose power until they deem it safe enough to turn it back on. Now, the power companies do this to prevent wildfires, to try to mitigate that. And we appreciate that. Don't get me wrong. I'd rather lose power for a little bit. My house has burned down. I don't want to do that again. I am good. So I don't want to be doing a typical Make It Monday where I have one bundle. It's between $80 and $100 worth of product. We do it for $19.99, but I literally make something with that bundle and we have a mini class because I don't know how long it's going to take to get this video done and how long it's going to take to load it. I don't even know if I'll be able to live chat with you today. We're just going to have to wait and see. So I thought the best thing to do is to be bing, bang, boom, quick about today. Bing, bang, boom, quick. And we'll do a clean out the refrigerator day here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. Woo! Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with what a clean out the refrigerator day here is, well, we take the bundles from the past where we have a few left. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 10, maybe 22. And we put them all out one more time for you so that if you missed something, this is the opportunity to pick it up. Or maybe there's some things you've never seen here before. This is a great time to get it, always keeping in mind that some of these things we literally have one of. Some of them we have 3 of. Some of them we have 10 of. So if we have just one of something and 12 of you put it in your online basket, you put it in your shopping cart, it will be the first person to check out who will have that item allocated to your order. These items, any of our items, do not allocate to your order until you have completely submitted your order. Completely submitted your order. You're like, well, why? Well, it's pretty standard in the industry for online stores that your product is not allocated to you until you fully checked out. And the reason being is that, let's say you put 5 or 6 items in your cart and then you have to run the kids to Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts, or you've got to go take the dog out for a walk and you forget to come back and those items are stuck in your cart and nobody else has the opportunity to purchase them. Or you put them in your cart and you just change your mind and walk away without deleting them from your cart. Again, if we had allocated it at that point, it would make it unavailable for everybody else. And again, this is very normal. This is standard from the biggest online companies all the way down to a little independent small mom and pop like me. So we ask that you have some patience because some things we do have 1, 2, some we have 20, but this is the chance to get the items that maybe you had missed or didn't even know about. And I am incorporating not only Monday products, but Thursday bundles as well to give the biggest clean out the refrigerator day we've had. Now the event will start immediately following this YouTube. I will say ready, set, go at the end of this, it's not a mini class. I guess I get to just show you some of the bundles, but at the end of this video, I will say ready, set, go. And that is when I have turned all the product on in our online store. And this is an online event only. So all of you local peeps, we love you dearly, but you will have to place your order online and you can certainly select pickup in our retail store. Why do we have to do it that way? Because there's no way for me to manage the inventory, to have some upstairs, some down, some in the warehouse, some in the store. I couldn't do it. So if we just put it all online, everybody has the same chance of getting what they want, and you can certainly do a pickup in the retail store when you check out. so online only. Will expedited shipping still continue? Yes. So if all of the things you pick are out of the Make It Monday category, out of the one category, your order will expedite out to you. All right, so a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I'm going to show you a couple different things that we have. By no means is this all that we have, because like I said, we have 2 of this and 3 of that and 1 of this. So we gathered all of them together to bring to you in this very special Clean Out the Refrigerator Make It Monday event, because I don't know when the power is going to go off. So I'm going to tilt down. I'm going to show you a few of the things, and then we'll say ready, set, go, and the event will become live. I'm hoping I'm able to load this in live chat with you. Time will tell. All right, down we go. All right, so let's look at the first thing we've got. Let me zoom on in. First thing we've got is from Gigi. We have got the 60 pack. I want it all bundle of random stickers. So the packs that we have left will have multiples of the same sticker. In the original packs that we had, we tried to make sure that you might have gotten this sticker in gold and silver and black, but you didn't get 4 golds or 4 silvers. The bundles we have left still have a ton of product, an amazing amount of product, at least 60 sets, but you may get 3 gold, 2 black, 4 silver of the same SKU. Now, at the price, it's a value. I mean, it's still a bargain, but I do want to make you aware that it is possible you will get multiples in the same color of the same SKU. I just don't know. This is what's left. We've put them together. So if you love GG, if you love peel-offs, if you love outline stickers, this is a golden opportunity for you. And I know there's only a few bundles left. I also have a penny black bundle. It looks like we've got In the Mood. I have no idea what's in it. So from Penny Black, oh, the cute little cow. They're just darling. The cute little cow stamps from Penny Black. But then it also looks like I have got a Penny Black Make It Monday event. Yeah, Make It Monday, $91 a Penny Black for $19.99. Where we've just got oodles of Penny Black in here. Oodles. So if you love Penny Black and you love the price, this is a great opportunity for you. Let's see, what else do I have here? I have got a few of the Tim Holtz alcohol ink packs left. These are a 5-pack. They are the big sizes. I think these are 2 ounce, so they're not little. And I've got the 5 colors. I've got the black, I've got the white, and then I have got the sterling alloy, the foundry alloy, and the gilded alloy from Ranger and Tim Holtz. So if you're into alcohol inks and you love Tim and you want the larger size, I did these because these are the colors that are more expensive. I think they're around $14.99 each. And our prices for all 5 of them is $19.99. And these would be colors that you could add into other alcohol inks that you already own. So if you have the Jacquard alcohol inks, you can mix these in. If you've got Couture Creations, you can mix these in. But from Tim Holtz and Ranger, we've got some of those. I have got the mini stencils that we did from Creative Expressions. Oh my gosh, where we gave you the entire, gosh, this would be cute right now for Christmas. We've given you the entire alphabet, all 26. And then we also had the numbers. So from Creative Expressions, I've got the mini stencil sets, and boy, these were popular. These are great for making note cards. These are great for doing stockings with. There's a little bit of everything to do here. If you're making somebody Christmas presents, you can do their initials with the A on 5 note cards, and off they go for a lovely little Christmas present or a housewarming gift. So we've got a few of these left from Creative Expressions. I've got I've got some, it looks like I've got some bundles left from Memory Box. This would be the Wintertime Wonder, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different items in it, and it retailed for $225. My guess is that it's somewhere around $175 maybe, but everything from Memory Box. This was a popular one too. I've got some Couture Creations product left, where we've got the stamps and the dies and the paper, all of it from Couture Creations. I've got some, I've got some Creative Expressions. Look, I've got Steampunk Christmas bundle number 1. This one sold out so fast. Steampunk bundle number 1. The Let It Snow is darling. All of this comes in the bundle for $19.99. All of it. This was so popular. Oh my gosh. And this one was so popular. The people bought the whole bundle because of these two. But you get all 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for $19.99. Will you have them in time for Christmas? Oh, you bet you will. If you just order from the one category, the Make It Monday category, we will start to expedite these almost immediately. I've got Steampunk, oh, let's see what else I've got. I've got New Beginnings bundle from Creative Expressions. This had that amazing die in it, amazing die. I use that as a stencil. It's got the family. It's got the bird houses. I use this in the sample as well. So thankfully, you are going to be able to go back and look online on our YouTube channel. We do have the past Mondays and Thursdays there in a playlist for you. So if you do end up with one of these bundles that you've always wanted, you'll be able to go back and see what it is I've done with it. Wish me luck. You know what? I'm not even going to try. So we have Steampunk bundle. I showed you number 1. I also have number 2. This way you get both of them. Easy peasy. And they were $19.99 each. I have no idea what we have left. I have some Creative Expressions left. No idea what bundle this is, but I'm sure all the images, it'll be a surprise to both of us. All the images will be online. I'm thinking this is a $19.99 bundle. I'm thinking, we'll find out, but I've definitely got some Creative Expressions, and I've even, oh no, that's Crafter's Companion. I'm sorry, Crafter's Companion. Crafter's Companion bundle, and I've got the Crafter's Companion Violet Studios glitter markers with a free gift. I'm not going to open it because then, but it has the Violet Studios 10-pack glitter marker plus a free gift in there, and I have a feeling the free gift is 3 of their sparkle pins that retail for like $16.99. There is just a little, I've got Find It Trading going on. I've got some bundles from Find It Trading that we've done. Just a little bit of everything for everyone. You pick what makes your heart happy. If you missed out on something when it originally launched, now there's an opportunity to grab it. We've even got some Sizzix going on. This is the floral cards where there are 2 exclusive dies in this kit. That are only found here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. Along with paper and foam tape and just a whole bunch of goodies in here. So because of the weather event, we thought it best to go ahead and put out some of the things we have just a few of, so that you could take advantage if you missed them the first time. creative expressions, all in one bundle. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, with an opportunity to get what you missed. I know that there is so much more that they've included, because we usually have cancellations or people who don't pay for their order, and that leaves us with anywhere from 1 to 5 bundles. So being that I wasn't sure how long I would have today, I thought that this would just be a great way to still have a Make It Monday without it being taking an hour or more, about an hour, because that's what it usually does, because I just wasn't sure if the video, if I'll have power to load. So really, that's it. I'm keeping it super fast and super simple so we can have something today. And now I need to talk for a few minutes because I have to go in and individually load each item. I have to turn each one of them on. And I know that there's probably close to 100 different SKUs where we might have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. And as long as you order just from the Make It Monday category, your items will expedite out to you. That doesn't mean you pay more for your order. It just means we get it to you faster. Absolutely. And hopefully you see something in the category like you're like, oh, I've always wanted that, or oh, I didn't see her do that. That looks amazing. And it makes your heart happy and you want to pick it up. I think I've probably talked long enough to say, are you ready? Ready, set, go. I know this is fast, but being that I know we're going to be losing power, I want to get it out there. Once it's loaded, I will feel so much better. So in-store people, remember, in-store SMS peeps, remember, this is an online event only. You're welcome to order online and then select pickup in our retail store. Fingers crossed that this loads in time. I'm gonna call it done for today, and I'm hoping that I am there and live chatting with you. So it is me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, for a Clean Out the Refrigerator Make It Monday event, and let's hope that the winds do not pick up and that there are no wildfires here in Southern California. All right, you guys, I will see you on Thursday for our, I think it's our Sizzix event is Thursday, our spectacular Sizzix savings event. And with any luck, the winds will be gone and we'll be back to normal. Thank you for your understanding, and it was good being here. If I was there with you, I'm so happy that I got to spend some time with you. I will see you later on. And again, I'm Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Bye, everybody.